So let's talk about what Mint Mobile even is. And it stands out from other carrier. Again, it's just a carrier, but it stands out not because of its frequent ads on streaming services and podcasts, but it also has a different approach and takes to wireless service. Mint specializes in low cost plans, which we actually have covered on this channel. You should probably check it out. But the way to get carrier's best rate is very different from the competition, and it's ads most of the time. If you're wondering what are the plans and what are the prices, you can check out the video again. But basically, it's just the carrier, which works in a way in which you have 5G and everything else. It's pretty fast, it's pretty good. But if you want to see the prices, if you want to know how bad and how good even this all is in terms of money, well, you should probably check out the video we have on our channel. But basically, this is just a carrier available in the United States, and this is just that.